Hello, my name is Gail Weaver, and let's start our cozy tatting evenings. First of all, I'd like to say this pattern is dedicated to my beloved tatting teacher, Letoshko Tetiana Alexandrivna, Zhytomyr City, Ukraine, who's no longer with us, unfortunately, but her patience, her skills, and love shaped my journey, and I hope this design reflects the beauty she shared the world. Now let's move on to our first lesson. I'll start by taking a quick look at the materials and tools you will need for work, and in this series we'll work on a beautiful 20 rows doily, and each week I will release 2 videos, one for shuttles and one for needles, so you can choose the method that works best for you. Also, I will learn how to read my patterns, so if you're new to tatting, no worries. At the end of this series, you will have a beautiful doily you can be proud of. I'll be announcing each new video on my social media, so please be sure to follow or subscribe. Okay, let's get started. The finished doily made with size 10 thread, and I will use the same thread for needle tatting. But for shuttles, I will take smaller size 20 thread. Okay, so for today we need 1 shuttle, crochet hook, scissors, and needle to hide the ends. Here's our pattern, and the beginning is quite simple. So let's start. The first ring is marked in green on the pattern, and the red arrow shows the direction of work. Those numbers are the stitch count between picot. So we have 5 double stitches, 3 double stitches, 5, 3, and 5. All rings and chains are equal. So I'm making the first ring. 5, 3. Reverse your work and make the first chain. It's marked in orange on the pattern, and it's 3 double stitches. I'm using 2 different colors to distinguish between rings and chains. This also shows how you can combine 2 different colors in your work. Okay, we have the first chain, and remember that every time we transition from a ring to a chain and vice versa, we need to reverse the work. So I've made a chain, and I need to reverse my work again. The second ring is joined to the first one, so let's follow the pattern and make 5 double stitches. 4, 5. Make a joint picot to the first ring and just making the rest of stitches. Okay, and now we have first 2 rings. I'm gonna make 5 more rings and I'll be right back. Okay, so now I have 7 rings and I'm working on the last one. And just a reminder that here we need to make a folded joint. I'm gonna pull the ends to the back side. So I'm pulling the end, the second one, make a knot, and that's it. We have the first row. Yay! I hope you enjoyed my first lesson, and this is one-person project. I film, edit and create everything myself, so every like, comment and share really helps. If you'd like to support my work and help me create more free tatting patterns, please consider supporting me on Buy Me a Coffee or checking out my patterns on Etsy. Your support really means a world to me. Also, if you're enjoying this tatting challenge, I would love to see your progress. So tag me in your posts, use hashtag Cozy Tatting Evenings, and let's inspire others to join us on this creative journey. Thank you for watching, and I look forward to seeing you in my next video. Bye!